We're at gotomath.com, working some calculus. We're under the section of Rules of Differentiation, and this is the button right here you need to click if you want to see this problem come up. And it looks like I need to do some adjustment to the HTML. That's a 7 right there. Anyway, things run differently in different web browsers, it looks like. Well, it says find the derivative, and that's what we need to do with this particular problem here, is find the derivative. And let's memorize what that says, because I've got to rewrite that. Alright, so let's get busy at the Burger King parlor. I don't know where that comes from, but anyway. We have ex raised to the 10th plus 4 over ex to the 7th plus 12. Still thinking about that news event. I need to get that off my mind. Anyway, world news tonight. Alright, where are we at? Forget it. Actually, I was watching the local news just a second ago, and it was talking about the bike blues and barbecue that looks like I'm probably going to miss this year. Terrible. We're going to be using the, what rule is it? The quotient rule? Yeah. So we want to take the derivative of the numerator first. So that means that we got to take the derivative of e raised to the x raised to the 10th. Wow, x raised to the 10th up here in the exponent. So that means we're going to take the derivative of the exponent, bring it out front. That would be 10x to the 9th. Rewriting. Whoa, we need to make that an x. That is definitely a funky x. Okay. So that's the derivative of the top. Now, of course, the derivative of 4 is 0, so I have to do nothing there. Times the bottom. Ex to the 7th plus 12 minus the top. I'll probably listen to this video about a year from now and wonder what in the heck was I talking about? What was going on the news that I didn't like? Okay, we rewrote the top, and now we're going to take the derivative of the bottom, and that means we're going to take the derivative of x to the 7th. So we got 7x raised to the 6th, and then we just rewrite e to x to the 7th, right? And then of course the derivative of 12 is 0, so we don't have to do anything there. And this is all over e x to the 7th plus 12, and the whole thing is squared. The whole thing in the denominator is squared anyway. Now it looks like we can do some factoring here. We could factor out an x factor. We got an x to the 9th and an x to the 6th. We always pull the one out with the smaller exponent. We can pull that out, and ooh, man, what can we do there? Yeah. Anyway, I'm just going to leave it like it is. I'm not sure what I do on the problem. Let's check it out. Let's see what's going on there. Yeah, it doesn't look like I do much of anything. Leave it alone, right? So, we had 10x to the 9th, ex to the 10th. 10x to the 9th, ex to the 10th, ex to the 7th plus 12. Right, minus, did I put a minus there? Yeah. And then, of course, we rewrote to the 10th plus 4, 7x to the 6th. Alright, all looks good. Anyway, there it is. Go here, click, click, click.